What's up, guys? It's Ronan and Connor again, and today we're going to be magnet fishing at a World War II tank ditch.
We don't know if we're going to find anything, but it's worth a try.
So, let's do this. Okay.
Don't make sure not to get whatever.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, I think I got something.
You do?
Whoa. This is heavy. Or it's like really heavy.
What is it?
I don't know.
Take it off. Oh.
Wait, don't get your hopes up. Don't get your hopes.
It's a barrel! A barrel to a gun! Look!
Oh my gosh.
Another one! This is... Oh my gosh! Now we need to find out what kind of barrel this is.
The last one was
M1911
yeah.
A1.
At the same place.
Yes,
too.
the same place. This could be
Look.
World War II.
This is also. I bet you.
Oh my gosh.
Because there's a holy.
Stop dropping your guns here. Well, I want to find them, so. Oh my gosh, another. I don't know what this is.
Others.
That's a barrel too.
Yeah, look. That's,
Two
it's the site.
barrels.
There's like.
Oh my gosh.
On the same throw.
Oh yeah, the same throw. We need to look up what this is. That is so cool.
On the first throw. Wait, did we ever say that?
Oh my gosh.
All right. It's okay.
Mom's like, watch out, there, here come the cops. Yeah, wait, the military police. They're
If
good.
we were to get in trouble with anyone, I'd rather be them.
Do I have anything? I have like a little nugget or something.
Oh my god.
We need to find out what kind of barrel those are. What kind of barrels are those?
I think the bigger ones, well, they both might be raffle barrels because they're pretty big.
Yeah.
But the bigger ones.
We found 3 barrels at this exact same spot.
What is this thing?
That is insane. The
Oh,
window wiper, yeah.
we also found a windshield wiper. That's best find ever.
Jeez. That could be World War II too. That could also be World War II.
Alright, second throw. I got nothing. I got that a lot. Oh my gosh, I actually super regret that.
Let me see. I can do this. Okay, no, I can't. Well, I didn't try. I'm sure those are World War II funds. It could be. Most likely.
I have my money on that.
Yeah.
World War II.
How much money, Connor?
All of it.
No. Well, yeah, that's good for me. Oh. I've got some more stuff. Just some little pieces. Oh my gosh, that is insane. My magnet feels like a little heavier. And nothing. Why is it like whenever I say that, it's not?
got something.
Wait, you did? What if somebody was magnet fishing here? Because they just left it.
I'm not saying they did a bad job. I'm saying that
They didn't get any. Well, they took all of our barrels if there was more.
Alright, so this was an accident throw on the land. I didn't even mean to get this. Might be our biggest find.
Yeah, I think it is actually. But not coolest find. Let's find some more barrels. Oh wait, there's something metal over there, like a box. I don't know if this works, but I hope it does. Yay, it did get off. Some of it. Not all of it, but some of it. I'm gonna try to catch that box.
Is it metal? Like it
Yeah,
will-
it's metal. It's not very...
I'm gonna put it on the end of this and I'll bring it up. Just take it off.
Oh, I know where it is. It's in the bush.
It's near the trees. I see it. Why is this magnet so heavy? So we found this box in the woods, but we were just rinsing the ants off of it. But it's really ancient looking. Look at that. Like a lunchbox or something. That is pretty cool. Wow, there's three barrels at this exact same spot. This thing is a lot heavier. I'm kind of done with magnet fishing.
Found a round.
Oh my gosh.
Wait. Come on, Connor, hook it to the magnet.
Oh. Okay, so my brother just found. Oh my, yes, I just said you found it. And it's still. Oh my God. My brother just found a round. This is obviously from World War II. Look at this. It even shows the number on the back. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This place is loaded with like World War II stuff. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So we found 3 barrels and even a round. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. Imagine what we can find here. We probably could find a lot more stuff. Yeah, oh my God.
Sorry.
Ow, I hurt my hand.
I don't know what this is.
Doesn't look much like a World War II thing.
It's metal.
Yeah,
Could be part of a weapon. What happened?
I just wrapped it around my hand. Look at that. Rug burn. Oh, it like kind of slid.
How do you get it off? Your dad? Don't hurt yourself for me.
We also caught a beer cap when we found the round. That's pretty cool. Not as cool as the round or any of the barrels, but it's cool. We have found 3 World War II finds just today. We actually went here yesterday and we found a barrel to a U.S. sidearm, officer sidearm pistol. Okay, I found some stuff. We have some We have this and all that. Nothing really cool in this slimy rock, metal rock. Yeah, that's it for that throw. Found some more of this. Pieces, flakes. Found this. Don't know if that's... Doesn't look like anything World War II-ish. Finding anything? Oh, what?
I very much got my magnet stuck.
You can't get it?
Yeah, I can.
This is a really good spot. Ah!
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Definitely CO2.
Yeah, we found a CO2 cartridge, I think. That's what I think it is, actually. It's pretty cool. Okay, now we're gonna try out this pond that's over there. See if we could find anything really good. Connor, let's go to a pond.
This thing is super magnetic. You can kick it down. Good.
Eat. I almost stepped on that barbed wire. That would have been bad. But I got shoes. Some horse or cow manure. I cannot tell. Ooh. It smells good. Ooh, juicy. Now that's a fresh one. Am I right? Ooh, that's another fresh one. No, that one's old. And some more fresh. Okay, that one's really old. What is up? You do?
I think so.
Just like you caught a snake, like, oh my god!
Missile launcher.
Watch it be a missile launcher. Yeah, I got rock. Rocks are stuck. Used to be. I have got nothing. Oh, Connor, there's cows over there. I didn't know. That's probably why there's so much poop. I thought they moved them or something. No! Nope. Look at them cows. I thought there would be more stuff. There doesn't seem to be much stuff in this place. I need to go. Today we found two barrels, 2 guns, probably World War II, a windshield wiper, some little pieces, a CO2 cartridge, a hook, whatever this is, and a really old box, like a lunch box, I think.
And we also found 2 cartridges.
This is gonna wrap up the extremely successful magnet fishing video for you guys. I know we found a lot of really good stuff, but I still hope you guys really enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you would like to see next.
And goodbye. I just have to, I'm yawning. Okay, ready?